Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart. Today, we're pitting the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus against the eufy X10 Pro Omni. Which one will reign supreme in your household? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus is priced at $549, making it the more budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the eufy X10 Pro Omni comes in at $799, which is quite an investment. If you're on a tight budget, the Roomba is already a winner in this category. Next, we dive into performance. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus features a 4-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface rubber brushes, which reviewers say are great for picking up pet hair and food crumbs. However, some users have noted issues with its mapping capabilities. Meanwhile, the eufy X10 Pro Omni boasts an impressive 8,000 Pascal suction power and its MopMaster 2.0 system, which reviewers highlight as excellent for both vacuuming and mopping, especially in homes with pets. When it comes to self-emptying and maintenance, the Roomba Combo r5 Plus empties its bin into a bag that holds up to 60 days of debris, which many users find incredibly convenient. However, the eufy X10 Pro Omni takes it a step further with its all-in-one station that not only empties the bin, but also washes and dries the mop pads, offering a more hands-free experience. Some users note that it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which can be a drawback. In terms of smart features and navigation, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus comes with Imprint Smart Map and Dirt Detect technology, allowing it to pair with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. Reviewers appreciate its ability to create efficient cleaning routes, but mention occasional struggles with complicated floor plans. The eufy X10 Pro Omni, on the other hand, features AI, smart cleaning and iPath laser navigation, avoiding over 100 different objects. Reviewers love its customizable AI Map 3.0 for creating no-go zones and virtual boundaries. Overall, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus is praised for its versatility and convenience, particularly for pet owners. However, some users have had issues with its mapping and software. The eufy X10 Pro Omni receives high marks for its powerful suction, advanced self-maintenance features, and intelligent navigation, making it a favorite for those willing to invest a bit more. So who wins this Robo-Rumble? If you're on a budget but still want a solid performer, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus is your go-to. But if you want all the bells and whistles and can spare the extra bucks, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is a beast. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another showdown. Comment below which vacuum you'd choose and why. Product links are in the description. Happy shopping and stay smart!